Hey guys, welcome to my ASMR. That was so lame.
Can I introduce you in?
Yeah, sure.
We're not sponsored. Well, this is not a sponsored video. We will not be having any sponsored products. You've seen James Charles... I'm doing my intro. You've seen James Charles do it. You've seen...
Jenna Marbles
do it. You've seen Steal the Spotlight. Literally every single YouTuber do it. But when we thought... You're not here yet. When we thought of this, we thought we were being original. Introducing... Jane.
Oh, me, Jane.
Today, let's say it at the same time.
The brat.
What are we saying? Budget Bratz doll challenge.
Budget doll.
No, budget Bratz doll challenge.
Budget.
So when I was a kid, I had only Jade Bratz dolls because I hated all the other Bratz and I thought that Chloe, the one that looked most like me, was a Bratz. Don't know what kind of self-sabotage that was, but I hated her. But today I'm going to be recreating the original first edition Chloe Bratz doll.
Oh, you know which one's yours is? I just found mine off Pinterest.
Yeah.
I'm recreating a Jade Bratz doll. When I was younger, I used to think that the Bratz doll company was stalking me because it was just too good to be true. Like, Barbie wasn't really a thing for our age group. It was just Bratz.
And they're so weird.
They are very
strange. They're
detachable
feet.
Yeah, but that was so practical. Like, when I think about it now...
I wish my feet could just...
Ooh.
You don't have to tie laces up and just take your whole foot off.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Let's just start from the beginning.
Hey, I dare you to ride on that tricycle.
Okay. So, I'm going for the Sheba and There's this photo which will be up here on her Instagram, and she's like... Anyway, so this is the Bratz look I'm going for, but you guys liked this one. So we're going to go for that today. And it looks pretty simple, but let me tell you, it's hard.
So I already have a top at home that I'm going to DIY. So I'm going to get a blue headband, leopard print skirt, white boots.
Nice.
Run.
So update on my Tamagotchi. I set it to the right time, and I'm really upset because my Tamagotchi is ugly. It's 12 years, only 25 pounds. The first Tamagotchi I had only lasted 5 days because it was 100 pounds because I kept feeding it cake. Yes. I actually love this.
Yee. I want to be a cowboy. It's going to happen this year.
I want to be a cowboy, baby.
What am I looking for? Glitter. We're going to go find the rhinestones section. Where are the rhinestones? Jade, what if I don't have rhinestones? This is like my entire plan is based on rhinestones. I tell you what, I'm breaking the bank. I didn't expect to spend more than $2 on this. These are $2.50. Okay, I'm gonna get this size. 150 of them, that should be enough. Okay, but on her shirt she also has like bigger ones. Okay, so now we're back and we're gonna show you what we got. So this is my outfit so far. I'm going to be doing some DIY.
Yeah.
So this is a shirt that I already had and I was going to give it away, but I've decided that I'm going to snip it up. And I'm also going to be doing some bedazzling on this.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
And Chloe's nickname, bit of Bratz trivia for you, is Angel. So I'm going to be writing Angel on here.
Yeah, I like that. Jade's is cool cat because isn't that perfect for me? Like, I love cats.
And you're cool. And then I got this skirt, which is kind of similar to her skirt.
Yeah, I like that.
But I'm going to cut it a little bit. And then I'm probably going to make a headband out of this. We'll see. And that's all I've got. Oh, and I've got white boots, but I'm not going to show them to you until the final reveal.
Yes.
Now, Jade.
Hello.
Thank you.
I had to get a black skirt, so I'm reusing Zoe's. black skirt. We tried to find one in an op shop, but it was not the right voom shape.
Yeah.
So
and, you know, this is BRATZ on a budget, so like if you already have it,
yeah, you got to use what you already have.
I'm not trying to spend money, although this was $12.
But it was brand new, but from Big W. And she has a purple top, but she has a pattern on it.
Yeah.
And so I knew I couldn't find the pattern, so I was looking for a shirt the same colour. So I got this lovely mum shirt that is quite baggy. So I will DIY this baby into something. Oh, we're not sewing, are we?
You can if you want, but I'm not.
Do we have glue?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just glue the hem. Yep, we're good, sis.
We're just gonna glue. We don't need to sew. We're just trying our best, but actually not our best because can't bother to sew.
Also, it is actually really difficult to find things. Like you think that you can find it, but it is really.
I only chose the one that I had because I knew I had a blue top.
Yeah,
and I was like, it's gonna make it that much easier.
So we're just gonna, you know, we're gonna do it our way. We're gonna do it our style.
I did it my way.
Sorry, can't join you on that
You don't know that
one.
song?
No.
What?
When I was in I can't remember what grade it was. It must have been like junior school. I had a hip hop BRATZ party, and
You didn't invite me.
I didn't know you back then.
You should have invited
So
me.
yeah, I know. And I had these awesome jade like sneakers, like jade BRATZ style sneakers, and this awesome 2-piece pink outfit, and they had like dangly shells.
Do you have
so every
photos?
time I'll try and find some.
Please.
I'll try.
Where the girls with the passion.
For fashion, ooh, BRATZ.
Where the BRATZ
is
my glitter. So I ended up getting these.
which I don't think is a cop out at all. Even though you thought it was, I didn't think so. I am slightly worried I've already
what?
flipped this up.
Oh,
I mean,
see.
flipped this out.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put angel. Like that's what it looks like. It's in blue. Oh well.
No, that's still. You know when you like. Sometimes when I think of costumes, I somehow like think of it in my mind as one way.
differently?
Yeah, and then when I go and watch the movie, I'm like, fuck, I've got it. I mean, flip, I've got it all wrong. So I was reading Chloe's BRATZ wiki, and this is the description of Chloe. Chloe is very playful, dramatic, and smart. Individual who looks at life through a different lens, always snapping pictures of and filming her friends. She is naturally athletic. Don't know what that. No,
Well.
no, yeah, Zoe is actually very athletic. As she loves to participate in a wide variety of sports, such as motocross, cheerleading, soccer, and skateboarding.
Only one of those is true.
Skateboarding. It's a skateboarding.
Motocross.
She loves sketching out fashions and enjoys photography. Wow.
Okay, here's Jade. Jade is of East Asian American heritage. She is the oldest of the BRATZ.
Oh,
I didn't know
I didn't know
that.
that.
Yeah.
How random.
Yeah. Always on the cutting edge of cool, Jade is the ultimate fashionista. After checking out the latest fashion mags, the trendiest boutiques and thrift stores, Jade always manages to put together looks that are completely unique and look like one cool cat.
Yeah.
Jade is described as a quirky and confident girl who isn't afraid to stand out from the crowd as well as defining herself.
Oh.
She's a true trendsetter, always chases the next big adventure and makes a statement just by being who she is.
Oh.
True.
In the photo, she has like a little like dipped like bit here, and I was like, why don't I just use the back of it?
Okay, time to snip my sleeves off. This is a make or break moment, like.
Yep.
We'll always be there for each other. Ooh. If this was a video that I was actually trying, I would be at this point bringing out my sewing machine. But we're just gonna cut this and
Hope for the best. Huzzah. We did it. I was holding it up like it's here we go.
And this is my headband. Like literally, this is my headband. I'm done. Then this is my crop top. Did I say? Oh my god! Imagine if I wrote angle.
Dude,
You're
the
my
feeling.
little angle.
So I'm not even gonna try and paint like an outline. It's just gonna go.
That's
"Ooh,
fine.
yes, baby.
So
Here
it's really
we
just
go."
like.
Squiggles.
It's like literally just big triangles. with the passion for fashion brats.
Nice.
I think that's good. Designers, come on, Jade. The runway is starting. So we've been creating, making stuff, but didn't want to give it away. So
No.
we're ready to show you our final looks.
Yeah. I'm actually pretty happy with them.
I am too.
Yeah.
Anyway, cue the lookbook.
See you, sis. Oh, she's. Oh, that's almost. What are you? That's problematic. Okay, everyone, try and guess what song I'm about to play. Hopefully, we don't get done. Oh no! Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? What? Guys, my Tamagotchi just grew! Oh my God!
Oh my God, I thought it died.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, look! It's so ugly. Hey, my name's Steve.
Hey, my name's Damo.
Oh my God! I'm still holding the sunglasses.
You gonna buy them?
No, Steve is not to be bought today.
Steve is not to be brought out.
Shit, where'd I go? It's just like Bratz dolls. Their shoes actually come up.
Does she do cheerleading?
Yeah. Oh no.
Sweating in my shins.
Oh, okay.
I think my upper lip is sweating.